Welcome to Green Camp. Located at the lush green forest in the middle of Bali Island, it is one of the greenest and most innovative campuses in the world. Set in this beautiful location, we offer programs for children, families, school groups, and corporations with a range of fun activities that challenge campers physically, intellectually and emotionally. Our wall-less campus is surrounded by educational gardens, shaded outdoor learning areas, a workshop space made entirely out of bamboos and an outdoor field. You've never seen a place like this. Designed by experienced facilitators, our activities will cultivate survival skills, develop sustainability knowledge and awareness, and empower individuals, all this while having a blast.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Kai.
And how old are you?
I am 11 years old.
And where you're from?
I am from Japan.
Okay. Can you describe Green Camp in 3 words?
There's lots of nature. I think it's very adventurous and very exciting.
What is your name
My name is Yufan.
and how old are you?
I am 8 years old, about to turn 9 in December.
Okay. Where are you from?
My dad's from Nepal, Kathmandu, and my mom's from India. So,
How do you feel at the camp program so far?
happy and excited for every new activity
And why?
because I love all the activities. They're very fun, especially the chocolate making, because it's better to eat chocolate and not that unhealthy because we made it out of pure cocoa beans.
Join us in this adventure, inspired by nature.